Welcome back, guys. This is Shrish, and today we're going to do Web Technology Lab experiment number 6, which is JavaScript timer functions and objects. So let's begin. Just like the previous experiment, this experiment also has set of questions which needs to be solved. So let's jump to the web page I created. This is a web page I created, and there are 5 questions as given in the PDF. So let's see the first question. First question is creation of digital card. Let's see what is included over here. Yeah. If you see right here, you can see there's a CSS included called new. This is CSS. And the body, it includes 5 unordered lists that is given these over here. This is actually a link to jump to different questions, and here are the links defined. So for this question, let's see how the time is working. This is the function we use. In display function, we are declaring a variable called date. It is actually an object that you created over here. What you're doing here is you're retrieving hours, minutes, and seconds over here by using d.getHours, d.getMinutes, and d.getSeconds. And this display function is called after every 1 second. So if you see right here, it changes after every 1 second. Now the next question here is dynamic background. So let's see how it is done. This is just like the previous question. These are just the links for the various pages which are given in an unordered list. Now let's see how this dynamic web background works. So it is actually in the function set background color. We are creating various variables such as red, blue, green, and we are setting using math function for the colors. Then what we are doing over here is displaying these colors, that is red, green, and blue. This will be changed after every 3 milliseconds. So if you see here, for every 3 milliseconds it changes. Now the next question is changing the font size. See, if you move over here, the font size of this text changes. Let's see how it is done. So this is similar to the previous HTML our unordered list. This is actually the thing that actually matters in the question, that is changing of font size. If you see right here, you are giving a function on mouse over. So when you move the mouse over there, a function is called, that is in C size, and on mouse out, that is when the mouse after being selected goes out, another function is being called, that is decrease size or des size. Let's see for increase size. A variable is created called ORI, and you're taking in values, and the value that is given is increased by 50 pixels. For decreased pixel, it goes back to the original that was actually declared. That's how the transition is made. See, Now the next question is moving of an object or moving of an image. See, if I press start here, the car starts moving, and if I press stop, it gets resetted. So let's see how it's done. So the car picture is added, and two buttons are created. One calling function smooth right, another calling function stop. Let's see how it is done. An object is created for imgobj for the image with the ID my image, and the position and the position is actually declared. This is a relator, and the style dot left is equal to 0 pixel. So the function right is called the style image object dot style dot left. The value is taken out by passant, and then it's added by 10 pixels, and then this function is called after every 20 milliseconds. So the object keeps moving 10 pixels after every 20 milliseconds. In case of stop function, what it does is it brings back the object or style dot left value to 0 pixels, so that it comes back to the start. That's how the movement of car occurs. So the next question is creating objects and ordering them based on a given condition. So let's see how this is done. You see right here we have given span ID for book B and A, and we have created a array variable book with title, author, and year for like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 books over here. Then we are declaring a variable I, and we are running a while loop. And what this while loop does is it gets the value of the book, and it prints all the information, that is the title and the book, for every books that have been inputted. The next thing over here is again we are declaring a variable called I, which is initialized to 0. What this while loop does here is it retrieves the year in which this book was published by using parsant, and then it compares it with 1980. If it is less, it stores all those information in an array and then it prints it out. Or if it is greater, then those are collected together and then they are printed out. Hence this is formed. Well, that's all for this experiment. Thank you for watching.